Okay, my friends, here we are on a Saturday afternoon, still wandering through our random travels as we look for things to do in our current state of affairs. So today I'm going to just show you some of the pitiful remains of another Corvette here, a couple of Corvettes here. So here's one we've got to get to after this one, but this lowly looking piece of sheet metal was actually a very nice Corvette, a 2001, if I remember correctly, that took a really nice hit in the side. And of course you can see I've pretty much diced this up into small pieces. Amazingly enough, if you don't know what you're looking at, there's still stuff on this car that's sellable. It's particularly right down in here, there is a steering wheel's position sensor. Actually, this is a 2000 model, that's right. Steering wheel position sensor that's worth quite a bit of money. There's a parking brake handle. There's a gas tank inside of here still. Where's the fuel hose? There it is. That fuel hose is probably worth 50 bucks. Oh, there's a fuel line right there. There we go. Fuel lines right there, plastic fuel lines. Those are becoming a little more difficult to find. Brackets. Power brake booster, AC lines, lots of goodies, wiring harness, terminal blocks, all kinds of stuff that you can actually scavenge from this. These don't really go bad that often. They did a pretty good job on these, but I keep those anyway. What we did was we pulled everything out of the way so we could go ahead and have a buyer come pick up this pitiful looking old burned 57 or 56 Chevy. He's going to scavenge for parts himself, so just thought I'd bring that to you just for fun, just to show you how the mighty have fallen. You know, I know a lot of you, it's cringeworthy to watch what I end up doing to these cars, but trust me, this car was wrecked good. In fact, let me show you here. This thing was hammered in the corner. If you see that, that's the steel understructure of the Corvette. I talked about this in some of my other videos, the how-to with the Corvette frame C5 is built like. So you can look, if you're looking at this, you see that crush point right there. There's your spot welds are. That is an extremely difficult fix. I mean, it crushed. If I remember correctly, I think the guy slid into a pole with this one. So this was not B1, even as nice as it was, that you want to delve into. And not only that, if I'm remembering correctly, not only did he slip into that, but then he spun around and caught the other side and some other things. This actually, just for as an aside, was a flood car. It was a... Which one did this flood during? It wasn't Harvey. You know, I can't remember now, guys. This flooded during one of the floods in Houston. Maybe it was Harvey. I can't remember. But it was flooded so bad, I scavenged a few things out of it and left it sitting back here. Of course, I'll probably go ahead and pull this. This is a complete engine tune port right here, so I'll pull that out of there and get some of the stuff I want off of that. But it got water up over the roof, so it really wasn't anything that I was gonna save parts off of, you know, for very long. And I'm sure there's plenty of snakes living in there now, so I'll have to evict those guys when I get to it in the next few days. So I just thought I'd come with you on a brief Saturday tour here of one of the production facilities. Got a few more back here in the corner that I'm going to be working on the next week or two. I think I'm going to actually work on the formula this week, starting tomorrow, so we'll try getting off on some of that stuff. I need to do the brake calipers on that, or brake pads, I'm sorry, and some of the other stuff. So just checking in today, guys. Just a regular old production Saturday, and we'll catch up with you guys tomorrow on our end of our first week of lockdown status. We'll see where we go from there, guys. I'll talk to you tomorrow.